Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic of Zoho. In this topic, we'll see how to create customers in Zoho. Our object and focus area, how to create customers in Zoho. So let's move into Zoho. In Zoho, we have already seen how to create an item. Now we will do the customer, we will create customers. So for customer, you have to click on sales. After sale, you have to click on customers. In customer, click on new. Then if it is custom, you have to select customer type. If you are supplying B2B, then business. If you are supplying for B2C, then you have to click on individual. Select salutation. Write the name of the person. There is no company name. What name you want to display, you can select. Write the Gmail ID, your email ID of the customer, phone number, GST treatment. As it is a consumer, no. If there is a PAN number, you can enter the PAN number. If not, just leave it. If it is supply on, select the place. Address, you can enter the billing address, shipping address, contact person, custom field if you want to custom any field. Let's first enter the address. Same. If it is a shipping address and billing address is same, so we just copy billing address. Okay. After that, if you want to enter contact person name, just select salutation. After that, click on save. You can enter email address of another one person. If you want, you can enter contact person detail. If you don't, then simply leave it. Okay. See. So we have created, as you can see, all the detail. Let it show. Okay. This way we can create a customer. If you let's create one more customer for a business, like for business. Salutation. Company name. Contact person name whom you contact. Then company name. You want to display name with the company or contact person, you can select according to your preference. Enter all the detail. GST treatment, it is a business, so regular business, it is type, it is regular business, so select regular business. Now enter the GST number. This will customer GST number you will get from your customer. Now you can see, once we enter the correct GST number, it automatic comes business name, trade, legal name, their PAN number, place of supply, everything is come by automatic. Now, if you want to enter address, you can enter address, contact details, custom field as you want. You can enter other details also. After enter all the details, you can click on save. If you want to import customer detail, just click on three dot and click on input. After the input, you can select customers or customer contact person. You whatever you want, you can click on continue, select the drop file, and after that you can save it. So I hope you have understand how to create customers in Zoho. If you have any doubt or any question, you can email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.